analysis statistics, a comprehensive overview, unlocking the power of data through collection, analysis, interpretation, and presentation. This series of the statistics is the essential backbone for data-driven decision-making across all fields. What is statistics? Definition and core concepts. Statistics is a mathematical science that involves the collection, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of large quantities of numerical data. At its core, statistics help us make sense of the vast amount of information generated every day, transforming narrow numbers into meaningful insights. The discipline is broadly divided on two main areas, which we'll explore in detail: descriptive statistics and internal statistics. Data collection. Designing surveys, experiments, and observational studies to gather relevant data. Data analysis. Applying mathematical techniques to reveal patterns and trends within the collection dataset. Interpretation. Drawing valid conclusions and understanding the implication of the finding. Why do we need statistics? The importance of data in decision making. In a world increasingly driven by information, statistics provides the necessary framework to move beyond assumption and base critical decision on empirical evidence. Informed policy. Government use statistics to gauge economic health, plan infrastructure, and allocate resources effectively for public welfare. Scientific validity. Statistics is critical for testing hypotheses, validating research findings, and ensuring the reliability of experiments in science and medicine. Business strategy. Companies rely on statistical models for market research. Business strategy. Business strategy. Companies rely on statistical models for market research, forecasting sales, quality control, and understanding consumer behavior. Description statistics, summarizing and visualizing data. Descriptive statistics provide the tools to summarize and organize data in a way that is easily understood, focusing on the main feature and measure of control standards. These include the mean, median, and mode, which represent the typical or central value in dataset. Measure variability, range, variance, and standard deviation, describing how spread out the data points are from the center. Data visualization, using charts, graphs, and plots, e.g. bar plots, scatter plots, to display data patterns visually. Frequency distribution, table and graphs like histograms that show how often different values occur in a set. Inferential statistics, drawing conclusions and making predictions. Inferential statistics go beyond mere description, using data from a small sample to draw conditions and make predictions about the target population. Sampling and estimation. Techniques use the select representative sample and then estimate population parameters like the average income at all understand. Hypothesis testing. Formal procedure for deciding whether to accept or reject a statistical hypothesis about a population based on sample data. Modeling and prediction. Developing ratiogram model to understand relationship between variables and predict future outcomes. Key statistical terms and terms. 1. Population. The group of individuals of objects that the research wants to draw conclusions about this is well said. 2. Sample. A subset of the population selected for study. It Use sample. A subset of the population selected for the study, it must be representable to allow for accurate inference. 3. Variable. A characteristic or attribute that can be measured observed variable can be quantitative, numeric, or qualitative technology. Parameter. For parameter, a numerical characteristic of population e.h. the average height of student, usually unknown. 5. Statistic. A numerical characteristic of a sample, e.g., the average height of student in selected class, used to estimate and